Hello, welcome everybody, and this is M.I.C Forex Trading, and I want us to have our first ever video, and this is going to be about for introduction to Forex trading. My name is M.I.C Forex. I'm a full-time Forex trader. This is my fourth year trading and my third year consistently involved in the business as a full-time um, participation. So I have created this YouTube channel with an aim to reach more audience, to reach more people, to help people understand this business or this market better using my experience. I'm also going to be sharing my strategies. I'm also going to be sharing what I do. Um, um, for us to be able to grow together and also help those who are struggling. I know this is an area of interest. So many people really want to be involved in this business, but they don't know how to start, they don't know where to start, or the risk involved. So I'm going to be now starting these YouTube videos. It is first of all we are going to have our introduction that is happening now. I'm going to be doing introduction today and also move on to now tell you what is traded in Forex, how you can start, the partners you need. That is, if of course, you need a broker. I'm also going to be telling you what's a broker. I'm also going to be telling you the terminologies used in Forex, how you can open an account from zero. So if there is anybody who is joining this one for the first time and you have your interest in Forex, I think this is going to be your best channel. Going on as we reach 10th video, 20th, like that, you will have gotten to understand how really this market operates and how you can take advantage of the online market, online financial market, to be able to to make something out of it, whether you want to become full-time or you want to do it part-time. There lies all those opportunities. So once again, welcome, and now let's introduce um, the channel to you. This channel is going to be named M.I.C Forex. M.I.C is my brand, of course. I have my real name. I'm a Kenyan trader, full-time, as I said earlier. M.I.C is a brand uh, that came up from the combination of some other words. I'm not Mike. People call me Mike. This I'm not Mike. I am M.I.C. M.I.C means money in candles. So I picked those initials as you have seen in the introduction. M.I.C Forex. If you check down there, it's written money in candles. It's written money in candles, and so it's my belief that you can also find it interesting how you can really make money in candles, and these are what you call candles, right? These are candles, right? So I am money in candles. I'm going to be um, showing you how you can develop slowly by slowly. Remember, this is not something that you can do it overnight or something that you can become profitable tomorrow, but over time, with the consistency, with the proper discipline, proper risk management, with the right skill, you can really become something, or you can improve from your situation to something uh, good, if not better. Now, so why Forex and what is Forex? Um, I'm going to be also shifting a bit from this platform to something else like this one. So if you check here, my name is there. Of course, this is my contact number. So you can always reach me through that number. You can see this is M.I.C Forex. And so with that, I think we are good to go. We are good to go. And so where is it? It's here. So M.I.C Forex, as I told you, it's my brand. So I'm going to be telling you. So introduction to Forex. So I've written these notes, I've written this course outline so that you can know what exactly you expect from uh, this training and so forth, or this particular channel. So section one is going to cover what is forex, what is trading in forex, forex market operation, blah blah blah, all that types of markets and types of forex traders. Sorry, section two is going now to go deeper and look into some of the we are going to be looking at some of these terminologies. Of course, we have bulls, we have bears. I'm also going to be telling you what are those. Section 3, this one is going now to be digging deeper into now some concept of market analysis, how you can read a chart, how you can, make sense out of them. Then section 4 is now the real strategies. Now, after being able to read a chart, how can you operate the market? Trade. How can you buy? How can you sell? So, all those are going to be discussed in this channel. So, it is so important to mention to you that as you prepare to start your forex trading journey, it is good to note that forex trading it's a very risky engagement, it's a very risky business. There lies potential of you losing all the money that you have invested or part of it. So it's good that whether you are returning, you are a beginner, you are beginning from you are from the scratch, or you are an intermediate trader who lacks a proper strategy. It is good to note that there is that risk. So you have to be prepared for that. And as much as that, people usually say, always be able to risk money that you are ready to lose, or that you can afford to lose. So that when you lose the money that you've invested, it doesn't become so difficult for you to operate even in real life. When you win, then you don't get so much excited, and the next time you'll be losing. So I think at that point we can end this video at that, and then now wait for the next video that is now going to be talking about forex. So have a good one and wait for the next video that is going now to be covering everything that I've said before. It's going to be covering now forex trading in full. Thank you very much. My name is M.I.C, and until next time, have a good one.